How's it going, brother?
What's going on?
Damn. I thought I heard you down the road. Sheesh.
Pretty much stock SR.
Big turbo.
I just swapped in a T28 into it. Come to find out it was actually a ball bearing. So, but other than that, I mean, it's it's got palm cams and some other little goodies inside of it, but short of that, that's about it.
What's she pushing?
Questionable. At 15 pounds right now,
15.
even though it's not supposed to be there, I'd probably say around 260, 270, maybe around there. If I got injectors, I could probably go a little bit more.
Probably be like 3.
Yeah. We'll be right back.
What tuning system you use?
Say what?
Tuning system?
Done.
Oh, really?
It's all OEM computer. For right now, I'm able to do it, but if I were to go to bigger injectors and everything else, I'd have to.
Welded diff?
Yeah.
Holy shit. Damn.
Yeah, we'll get on the way back. But yeah,
man.
just a stock SR, stock map. The only thing that I changed on it was I did the turbo on it, and that was about it.
Man, that was about to break my neck, to be honest. Like, holy shit.
Honestly, I had an ISR. I had the stock turbo on it, and it was very laggy, and I didn't know why. So we worked out this deal on this turbo, and then my AFRs are running a lot better now. Everything's running a lot better now. It's a factory. Come to find out, I just thought it was a T28. But come to find out, it was actually a S14 T28 ball bearing. So, and I honestly need to lower the boost on it, but short of that, right now it's at 15 pounds. Yeah, welded life.
Yeah.
Gotta love it.